Today I'm going to be showing you how to change all of your filters in your StationProtect. First step is going to be how to change your pre-filter. Let me show you how to do that. Remove the old filter from the bottom, pull it through, and simply place the new filter. Slide right in, arrow facing up. Next step. The next step is going to be to remove the panel. Only need to remove the top panel, not the bottom panel. The next step is to remove the 4 molecular filters. They just slide right out. Now that I have my new molecular filtration modules prepared, I can just slide them right back into where the old ones were. Okay, the next step is to remove the blue HEPA filter and replace it. And just slide the new one right back in. And the last step is to put the front panel back on. Finally, after you have all of your filters replaced and the front panel back on, make sure the door to the unit is completely shut or it will not run.